Hello everyone, you have to make a ponytail and then rotate it using this bun stick or the hairstyling tool. Now divide it from the between and fold it inside the bun and put the hair clutch or the bun pin over it like this to fix it, and it's ready. Next, you have to make a high ponytail, fold the hairs upward and fix it, and then again roll it down. Now tie it using a rubber band from the bottom and fold it and put the hair clutch over it, and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail and then put the hairs in the half and fix it. Now tie the hairs from the between and then rotate it and then fold it upward over the bun like this. Now spread the hairs on the sides, fold it and fix it using the rubber band and put the hair clutch over it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail, put this bun plate and then roll the hairs upward. Now fold it from the sides and fix it by spreading the hairs like this. Put the hair bun pin on the top and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will fold the hairs like this. So first make the plates on the end of it. Now fold it upward like this and fix it inside the rubber band, and then fix it again by folding it from the between. Put the hairpins to fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs like this. Roll it using the fingers, fold it like this. Put the hair clutch to fix the hairs on the top, and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, take this bun or hairstyling tool and then rotate the hairs. Divide it from the between and then fold it upward like this and put the hair clutch to fix it, and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, use this bun clutch to roll the hairs together upward. Fix it by locking it like this on the sides, and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.